What if there was a time on Earth when peace finally ruled, when justice was perfect, evil was gone, and the world functioned exactly the way it was always meant to? A time when leadership wasn't corrupt, truth wasn't twisted, and people lived in real harmony? The Bible describes such a time, a future period known as the 1,000-year reign of Christ. Today, we're going to break down this powerful and hope-filled moment found in Book of Revelation, specifically Revelation 20 to 2:7, in a way that's simple, clear, and meaningful for everyone to understand. The passage begins with a dramatic turning point. An angel comes down from heaven and seizes Satan, the one described as the deceiver of the whole world, and binds him for 1,000 years. Imagine that for a moment. The source of deception, chaos, and evil influence is completely removed. No more manipulation, no more lies shaping the direction of humanity behind the scenes. Satan is locked away, unable to deceive the nations during this time. Right away, we see that this 1,000-year reign is going to be unlike anything the world has ever experienced. Then, something incredible happens. Christ begins to reign. This is often referred to as the millennial kingdom, a time when Jesus rules as king over the earth. But this isn't just a symbolic reign, it's described as a real, established kingdom. And those who remained faithful to him, those who stood firm in their faith, are said to reign with him. This means leadership on earth is no longer driven by selfish ambition, greed, or corruption. Instead, it is led by righteousness, truth, and justice. Think about the world we live in now. How often do we see injustice go unchecked? How often does it feel like wrong is rewarded and right is overlooked? During this 1,000-year reign, that is completely reversed. Justice is no longer delayed or distorted. It is immediate, fair, and perfect. This period represents what humanity has always longed for, even if we didn't realize it, a world led by perfect leadership. The Bible also describes this as a time of peace. While Revelation 20 focuses on the reign itself, other parts of Scripture paint a fuller picture of what this kingdom will be like. It's a time where nations are no longer at war, where people live securely, and where the earth begins to reflect the goodness it was originally created with. Imagine a world where fear is no longer the default, where people aren't constantly striving just to survive, but are actually able to live with purpose and peace. But there's also an important spiritual truth happening during this time. With Satan bound, the usual source of deception is removed, yet people still have the ability to choose. This shows us something deep about human nature. Our choices matter. Even in a near-perfect environment, the heart still plays a role. God's plan has always involved giving people the opportunity to choose him, not forcing them. As the 1,000 years come to an end, Revelation 20:7 tells us something surprising. Satan is released for a short time. This moment reveals a final testing of humanity. Even after experiencing a world of peace and perfect leadership, there will still be those who choose to turn away. It's a powerful reminder that real faith isn't just about environment, it's about the heart. So what does all of this mean for us today? The 1,000-year reign of Christ isn't just a future event, it's a message of hope. It tells us that evil does not win in the end. It reminds us that injustice is temporary, and that a time is coming when everything will be made right. It also challenges us to think about where we stand right now. If Christ will one day reign as king, the question becomes, are we aligning our lives with him today? This passage encourages us to live with perspective. The struggles we face now, the confusion we see in the world, the broken systems, they are not the final chapter. There is a greater story unfolding, and it leads to restoration, peace, and truth ruling the earth. If this video helped you understand the Bible in a clearer and more meaningful way, make sure to like this video, share it with someone who needs encouragement and hope, and subscribe to the channel for more simple and powerful Bible teachings. And don't forget to sign up for our free Bible course located on the channel page, where we walk you step by step through Scripture so you can grow in your faith with confidence. Because at the end of the day, this isn't just about understanding prophecy. It's about being ready for the King who is coming to reign.